Hello friends, let me introduce you to Panasonic's new front-load washing machine. I will tell you how easily you can onboard the device in the Mirai application. First, you must install the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store if you are a first-time user. Then you need to register yourself by entering your registered mobile number or email ID. Once you complete the registration process, now it's time to get on board the device. For this, you need to switch on the device and open the application. Go to the room and click on plus symbol available on the right down corner of the home page. Scan the QR code pasted on the device. The module will detect the required pairing options that should be enabled on your mobile phone. These are Wi-Fi, location, internet and Bluetooth. Now click on add device and then press the speed button from the panel for 3 seconds. So that the SE code will appear on the display, and click on continue in the module. The module will detect the model number of your device, and then you need to enter the Wi-Fi credentials and click on next. Now you need to wait till the device gets onboarded. Once it is onboarded, you can go to the dashboard and check the device. After completing the onboarding process, you will able to see the device QR code in a digital form, which you can take a screenshot, or even you can share it with other family members for your future reference. Thank you.